For our rye bread sandwich today, we will start by toasting our bread in the oven. Now we have our tuna right here. So we've added our mayo to our tuna. As you can see, there's some chili pepper in this because this is a spicy version of the tuna. Now let's start by mixing this all together. Some freshly grounded black pepper. So we just mix this until it's even. Let's crush our pepper. Alright, now our tuna is all mixed. We set this aside. And we can cut our cucumber. So we cut off both ends. And in this case, I will leave the skin on because it tastes very nice. Now split this in half. So we'll stand this up, then we'll slice it down. There we go. We have a few slices there. Good. So we set those cucumbers aside. Then we also have some lettuce. There we go. Beautiful. Our flaxseed bread is ready. It's toasted nicely. Put a small amount of mayo. Then we add our cheese. Then we put some tuna to the bottom. Then we layer our cucumber over the top. And finally, our lettuce. If you like more, you just simply put more. I think this amount is just right. Okay, we flip this over. And we flip this one over also. Press this down. Look at how beautiful this is. You can just see this. Look at the beauty. Now let's cut this open to see how they look. There we go, our flaxseed bread sandwich is ready. Has some rice seeds in it, high in fiber, very good for the health conscious ones. And on top of that is kosher. So here we go. We even have some leftover lettuce and cucumber, so we can have this together with our sandwich. This looks very tasty. I hope you enjoyed this episode. So remember to subscribe and let us know what else you'd like to see on our channel. Until next time, bye now.